Well, good day to you. Today, my Ecoflow Delta has finally arrived with a 110 watt solar panel. You've probably seen 1,000 of unboxings, so I'm not going to drag this one out. So let's see exactly what we got. It just arrived earlier today. And let's check out the packaging, let's check out the unit. Let's see what it's all about. Now, I'm really just going to be using this for emergency power. I'm thinking about running my computer through it, just in the event that the power goes off. But let's have a look. She got a few pounds to it. Oh, good heavens. Box number one. And let's take a look. Now, the only reason I picked up this unit now is there was a little bit of a sale after the holidays, and I'll put the sales receipt up on the screen now. And I think out the door with taxes here in Ontario, Canada, it was about $580, I believe, and that included this and this. 24-month warranty, sweet. And there's your quick start guide with all your goodies, manuals, the do's and the don'ts, and the warranty card. So that's going to be important to get that filled out. I'm going to stick with English. It seems to be my language of choice. Nice. Keep that out of kids' mouths. Let's take a look. Oh, goodness gracious. Nothing else? Yeah, and the Ecoflow box, which I'm going to assume's got some power cables and all that good stuff. So that's cool. Yeah, so, nice case. Velcro. Sweet. Oh, good. I guess we should take that apart. But that's actually going to be good. So when I do throw it in the car, I have to take it up to the cottage. In the event that the power goes out and my beer gets warm, this is going to be a lifesaver. And of course, listening to the kids whine that their cell phones aren't being charged up. And so that is important. Let's take a look. Yep, nice. Cut away from you, not at you. Oh, goodness. First day with the new fingers. So after destroying the box, we've got our 12-volt car adapter to charge the unit. Cool. You've got your standard electrical plug. Plug it in at home and charge it. And of course, more documentation. And this is talking about the solar panels. The DIY instructions, non-MC4, blah, blah, blah. So anyways, more instructions. As a man, we will read them when we can't figure it out on our own. So there's the unit. As advertised, you got your six plugs in the back. Thought I heard something shaking. We got our 12-volt in the back. Nice. So that's cool. We got our input for charging, which is going to be solar panel and your regular house. And then of course your USBs in the front. Fast charge and USB-Cs. Cool. So there's the unit. And again, got that. Easy peasy stuff. Ugh. I shouldn't grunt and groan so much. Now, on to what do we get for solar panel. Let's have a peek. And we're going to be a little more cautious with the knife on this one. Let's have a look. Ooh. And on the back of the unit, of course, the how-tos. I guess I'm going to have to go to the recycling center to get rid of all this plastic, because there is a plastic cardboard. Put the knife away. I may have to speed up this video. Not for the kids. That go away. I've got a little package. And put it that way so you can see it. I guess I'm going to have to do some reading tonight. Okay, these are the hooks for the 4 hooks. Because apparently the carrying case has spots to put the hooks, and you can sort of use the case, I guess, to prop this up. So anyways, there's some more 4 hooks. Probably the how-to. Technical specs, and of course how to set it up, how to connect it. Sweet. More cardboard. Cardboard. Out of frame, knock the camera over. Would not be good. Let's take a peeky. I should lay that down. What do we have? Well, nice carrying case anyways. At least it's good and sturdy. We have got, okay, the whole thing comes out, fair enough. Now I'm going to have to read that's like that. More cardboard. At least 1 or 2 trees for packaging. Some ties for the cat to play with. And speed this up. And that is labeled as nothing. And that is labeled with a red. So I'm going to assume that's positive, obviously. It shouldn't be rocket science. And let's take a peek. Pretty. And our solar panels. Nice. All right. Cool. I'm just going to leave that in there for now because it is, what is it? January 16th of 2023 up here in Toronto. And today is a no Sunday. So we're not going to be able to test this out right now. But soon enough, we'll do some testing with the solar panel. I've also wired up my furnace to give me the ability to try and see what the Ecoflow will do with the furnace in the event of a power outage, because we have had a few over the last month. So I thought it could come in handy for that as well. So there's what we have. Nice carrying case. We got the Ecoflow Delta. We got the associated cords, which I've got to remember to bring those all along, and all the user manuals. So I'm just going to do a little bit of reading, and then we'll pick this up. So now we're going to power this up for the first time and see if we can get a charge on it. Again, the charging port is on this side. Actually, it's quite a heavy gauge wire. And again, there's only 2 inputs on this side, which is the power from input from solar panel, and then also the home charging. So there we go. No smoke, no burning. That's a good thing. Immediately both fans kicked on. And we're coming shipped at about 29% power. So let me bring you a little closer here. So away we go. We're going to get her all charged up. So an hour and a half later, we went from the out of the box 29-30% charged up to 100% charged. Now just keep in mind, the entire time this was charging, the fans were running, so there was a little bit of noise, but it wasn't too bad. Side notes, if you're doing the online warranty and you're looking for the serial number, it is located on the bottom of your unit. And the first annoyance that I came across was the fact is on the Delta, you cannot download the Bluetooth app. It seems to work for everything else, but of course it's not working for this unit. So that was my bad. I didn't do my homework. So I just want to let you know the Delta does not support the app for the iPhones, smartphones. And well, that just sucks, but it is what it is.